2016 Honda Civic LX. What we got done on it from the after the catback system and INVIDIA catback system right there with a single muffler right there. His original flange didn't fit, so we had to custom fab it to make it fit on his old one. That's why you guys see that cut there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. In a second, the magic of YouTube. There it is. Hope you guys like the sound. Go ahead. On the Civic LX. There it is. Let you guys hear on the inside.